Hello dear children, welcome everyone. In this lesson, we were discussing about how the factors influence the chemical equilibrium. Last day we saw the effect of influence of concentration on ammonia and sulfuric acid. So today we will study about the effect of influence of pressure on different equilibrium systems. Let's begin the class with the pressure. Dear students, it's very important to keep it in your mind that the pressure has a significant influence in the cases of gases only. Let's examine the influence of pressure in the manufacture of ammonia. Consider this equation. What is the total number of moles of the reactant molecules? Yes, you are right. 4 mole reactant molecules. And what about the product? Very good. 2 mole product molecules. So children, in this forward reaction of this system, you can see that the number of molecules is decreasing. As the number of moles decreases, the volume also decreases. So we can say that in a gaseous system, decrease in number of molecule helps to decrease the pressure. So according to Le Chatelier principle, what we learned? Yes, when the pressure of a system at equilibrium is increased, the system will try to attain equilibrium by reducing the pressure. So based on the above principle, let's analyze the answers for the questions given in your textbook. See the first question. In the manufacture of ammonia, the reaction in which direction result in decrease in number of molecules? Yes, you have identified that in the forward reaction, the number of molecules decreases. Second question. What happens when the pressure of system is increased? According to Le Chatelier principle, if the pressure of a system at equilibrium is increased, the system will shift the equilibrium towards the direction where the pressure decreases. Here the pressure decreases in the direction where the number of moles decreases. As a result, the forward reaction increases and more products are formed. So, did you understand? Let's move on to the third question. What happens if the pressure of the system is decreased? If the pressure decreases, what the system will do? As the pressure decreases, the system will try to increase the pressure where the number of moles increases. Hence, the rate of backward reaction increases and more reactants are formed. Now see the last question. In the manufacture of ammonia, why is a high pressure of 150 to 300 atm used? You saw that in the second question, an increase in pressure leads to the formation of more product. So, in order to get more ammonia, a high pressure is applied on this system. Alright, now shall we analyze the influence of pressure on another gaseous system? Observe the equation of reaction of hydrogen with iodine to form hydrogen iodide. What is the total number of moles of reactants? Of course, 2 mole reactants, right? And what about the products? Again, 2 moles of products. So, in this equation, there is no change in the number of moles of reactants and the product. So, students, please remember, while analyzing the influence of pressure on a gaseous system, if there is no change in the number of gaseous molecules in the reactant and product side, the pressure will not have any effect on the chemical equilibrium. So, if we examine the influence of pressure on these systems, You will understand that the pressure can influence the system only if there is a change in the number of gaseous molecules. Alright children, so let's consolidate about today's class. Today we discussed about the influence of pressure on chemical equilibrium of ammonia and hydrogen iodide. According to Le Chatelier's principle, when pressure of a system at equilibrium is increased, the system will try to attain equilibrium by reducing the pressure. In the case of manufacture of ammonia, as the pressure in the system increases, the system will try to reduce the pressure where the number of mole decreases. The rate of forward reaction increases and more ammonia is formed. In the manufacture of ammonia, a high pressure of 150 to 300 atm is used. In the case of hydrogen iodide, since there is no change in the number of molecules of reactants and product, the pressure will not have any effect on this chemical equilibrium. Okay children, so let's meet you in the next class with the influence of temperature and catalyst on chemical equilibrium. Study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.